Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win in two moves. It's basically mate in two, but the white rook is checking us, right? So we have to save the king first, and it's mate in two, meaning white can deliver checkmate in just two moves. So that is the challenge of the puzzle. Go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so it's mate in two, and if you try to retreat with your king like this, it doesn't work because now black will do its best to not get mated on the next move. So that is what black is going to do, and here in this position black may just give play this move and you wouldn't deliver checkmate, right? So you have to somehow push this pawn that looks nice, and the rook is perfectly lined up, and if these two pawns moved it would be just checkmate, right? So what should we do? So we play here to a queen, but this doesn't work because now black is not going to capture this, right? If black captures that, this would be mate in two, but black is not going to do such thing, right? Now black can actually play this move, rook to d8, and we don't have checkmate in two, right? So we have to capture the rook, and we are going to not win the game in two moves. So actually we can give this check, and then we can play a move like this, so we can capture the rook and we can deliver checkmate like this. Actually we are winning, but that is not the point. The point is to deliver checkmate in two moves, so this move doesn't work. How about the other move, like pushing this to a queen? Well, again this move doesn't work because of the same reason. Black would play here, and you may probably do the same thing as before to not stalemate black, right? So that is actually the idea, and these two moves don't work. The correct move is to promote the d pawn, but to not a queen to a knight. So what you are doing is you are threatening checkmate on b7, and black cannot stop that by playing rook to b8, because not only this is also another checkmate threat, right? So the knight and the queen are just preventing black from escaping, and the rook gets in the way, and this is checkmate. If black decided to capture this, we simply capture black and deliver checkmate this way. And at last, if black plays here, we are going to deliver checkmate this way. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.